is Shruti, and I've been on this path. I connected with Wellcure, I think, almost 3 years ago, and that was after a diagnosis of an autoimmune disease. And of course, I started off on the standard mainstream allopathy treatment, but somewhere I was questioning um, that. And then I got to know about Asha and Dr. Prashanti and Wellcure and what they were doing, and some of the stories that I read and the testimonials that I got to know of were quite powerful. So to really questioning, that wow, can this happen? And of course, I wanted that for myself, which is a medicine-free, healthy life full of vital energy. And the course itself, so I think I've taken coaching at least twice before, and I wanted to somewhere reinforce my learnings through this certification course, and it's been tremendously helpful. And I think the best part is that because there is so much conditioning that one has come from, the faith, the conviction, the knowledge, and the resources with which all these ideas, all these theories and practices are being conveyed by Asha and Dr. Prashanti is, to me, I think, the main takeaway, because somewhere I knew about some of these things, but to again sort of learn that and to really understand why this is so. So I think that has been fantastic. And the other important takeaway is that, this well-cure path, the natural hygiene path, is so much more empowering, where, it's all in my hands to use the elements, to use all the knowledge, and not only restore my health, but also live with full vitality. Um, I mean, I see why allopathy is also useful, but then somewhere I feel the entire experience feels very disempowering, and somewhere I feel that I would rather, if there is an option, then I think going the natural hygiene way makes so much more sense, because it's quite clear to me that toxemia is at the basis of everything. Yeah. So how I'm going to implement is that I think, to begin with myself, I've been able to kind of do about 80% so far. And once I'm able to do 100%, I would definitely be sharing this with people who may need it or people who may not need it. And somewhere I feel that I have all the tools in my toolbox now to answer their difficult questions, or the standard questions of how can you survive, or, where is the protein coming from?
I've undergone many courses in Wellcure. This is my fourth class, but this was a different enlightenment to me. I learned many things about the vitality, the prana shakti, and everything. And what I learned about innovation was a totally new thing for me. And as you said, we were totally concentrating only on the food. Only the food gives us strength was the concept that usually normal people understand. But after attending this program, I came to know that rest and sleep and exercise, sunlight, and all the five elements are also so important to maintain a balance. And all the classes I attended, and everything was very enlightening to me. But I feel some sort of unfulfillment, because I have to do all the assignments and watch all the blogs, and still I haven't completed yet. And personally, I need some sort of hand holding also from you people to totally follow this on this natural hygiene lifestyle, because on my own I can't follow anything and end up in a failure. So I need your support always. How can I approach you? That's need to be cleared.
Thanks to Asha, who actually suggested that I do this course. I have done few webinars of Wellcure, but they were in bits and pieces. So this was a thorough and comprehensive understanding of natural hygiene. And yeah, it's a little overwhelming now. It will take some time for me to go through all the, again, records over and over again, read the books. So, but yeah, the course was very nice. I think whatever I wanted to know, it is very much clear. But most important is I need to practice. For me, I think the mental health, more than food, I felt the mental health is the most important thing, because if you are strong mentally, then you can cure most of the things which you call disease, or which lack of ease. So for me, mental health, what I understood, plays a very vital part in the cure.
Yeah, the course has certainly helped me strengthen my natural health journey. As some of you know, I've been on the journey since 2017. And time to time, these kind of interactions definitely help me. Most importantly, I think the sincerity and passion of both of you, Dr. Prashanti and yourself, are really contagious, and that gives us a lot of confidence to carry on. It has also helped strengthen me, my resolve to iron out a few shortcomings in my journey. I've especially decided to focus a lot on fasting, both for myself and my coaches. Thanks a lot for doing what you're doing. It's a much needed service and message with absolute clarity. And in today's context, it is very, very valuable. Thanks.
I stumbled upon this course from that YouTube feed, and I was listening to a couple of Dr. Prashanti's videos on eat and fruit and heal. And then I found that this course is there and Dr. Prashanti is there. And after going through all this course, I'm really very pleased. I'm really thankful that I joined this course. And both of you, Asha and Prashanti, have done a wonderful job. It was a perfectly structured, just like a university curriculum. Everything was explained. The 7 stages of disease, the enervation, the tree of the toxemia tree. That was eye-opening. I mean, it is very easy now to explain to my friends and near and dear ones. So it's really wonderful. I've been on this path since long, but yes, it is about the addiction and the social, the thing around the food and cooked food, that is mostly. And but yes, it's about addiction and cravings. So that is a little part where everybody needs hand holding, and I'm sure I'll also need. But right now I am 50-60% on this path, so I'm really happy about it. And it's a beautiful course. I would want my near and dear ones should join these kind of courses. Thank you.